Muscle Shoals, Alabama here. Big windbag coming in. Gotta hit the road. Go. Yeah, look at that. Windbag. I'm just to the east of Muscle Shoals, Alabama, and this is a severe storm, a supercell that has pretty strong rotation on it. It is approaching Florence in the Muscle Shoals area right now. Does not have a tornado warning, but it does have very strong rotation on radar. Very strong storm relative inflow into this storm right now. It is also trying to turn right and move east-southeast. And looking at the sky, you can see a differential heating boundary in place here across northwestern Alabama right now. There were some tracks of some other storms earlier that went along this same path and laid out a little bit of precipitation and some rain, cooled air. And if this storm is able to anchor along this differential heating boundary, turn off to the right, then I do think that it is going to have tornado potential as it moves across northern Alabama and eventually even into south central Tennessee. A tornado watch is in effect here through tonight. More storms are starting to develop back into northeastern Mississippi as well. There were tornado warnings earlier up near Bowling Green, Kentucky. So far, though, severe thunderstorm warnings back here in northwestern Alabama. Something's a little bit off with the wind shear right now, but as that low-level jet intensifies as we get closer to sunset, then I do think that some of these storms are going to develop tornado potential, and they could also be long-track tornadoes, moving at speeds of 50 to 60 miles an hour off to the east-northeast. Still, looks like a nocturnal threat of tornadoes continuing overnight tonight into southeastern Tennessee, across into northwestern Georgia as well as they're moving that way. As that intensifying low-level jet, that axis continues to increase and accelerate up to 70 knots, pumping into southeastern Tennessee this evening and the overnight hours, and that's going to bring with it that tornado threat with circulations embedded within that fast-moving squall line. So if you're living across northwestern Alabama, keep an eye on these storms. Low-level jets ripping up in front of it. Low-level shear appears conducive for tornado potential with this storm in northwestern Alabama.
Got a little circulation in it.
Yeah, it does on that front edge. Yeah. You never know if it'll turn right, if that thing could pull it in. Probably not, but you never know. Yeah. Yeah, if it didn't get undercut, it'd probably
I
be
caught a
down.
few of them, didn't I? Huh? I caught a few of them out before we even head out. Yeah. There was going to be some popping off coming out of...
Yeah.
Shit, that one looked like it got a little bit of hail in it, though.
Yeah, it is trying on that leading edge. Look at the bubble up top.
We ain't got no lightning, though. Well, it said a little bit ago we had it 15 miles.
Tilted, very tilted, undercut.
Good.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
There's the mountains. Circulation on the leading edge.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Case Road.